Welcome back to Hello Crafty Kids! Today we're in Bedrock. So we're gonna give you a tour of Bedrock. Woo-hoo! Now we're gonna go explore Bedrock. Come on! See, you have to jump. Get out of bed, time for Brontosaurus eggs. Welcome to Barney's house.
What's that?
A high chair. And look over here. You can see a shark. Come on, Pebbles, it's time to eat. Sit up here. We're in the Bedrock School, and it's time to learn! Oh no, this is a jail! Mama! How'd you get trapped in here? Wow, you're strong. Wow, perfect! Okay, honey, are you ready for your appointment? Let's go, come on. Come on, Pebbles. Okay, you're all good. Yay! Now I can head back to my brown house. What can I help you with? I'd like to deliver this to room 9076. Okay, streets. We'll be delivering this in a moment. Okay, we're here at the Bedrock Beauty Center. And straight. All done.
Guys, there's a watermelon in this grocery store.
Bedrock has a fully stocked grocery store. Oh, I'd like to buy these. Okay. Thank you. How much would that be? $899. Okay. Here you go. Here. Would you like a bag? No, thank you. Bye. Thanks for joining us in Bedrock. We're gonna hit the road. We're gonna go back to Los Angeles. Yay! Of course, you have to stop for a smush penny.
Yeah. Well, let's focus on maybe everything or rather it's just another immediate. So I do have a package full of about available for 2 days. It's $25 a night plus tax. Or I have pull-through sites. They're
Nice.